Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about happiness. What about when people are not happy? What about when things do not go as planned? What about when we have to disappoint others? Friends, we love seeing our customers happy. We love seeing our family happy. We love seeing our employee happy. It feels so good when everyone is happy. The economy is flowing. Things are happening easily and we all move forward. This is hard and can easily turn our mood sour. I see it is my main job to make people feel good because I know how transformative good feelings can be. However, remember this, you can never be happy by needing other people to be happy. You can never be pleased by needing other people to be pleased. Because your feelings are within. Happiness is not a goal, it is a feeling. It is not something you earn, it is something you have. The moment you attach these powerful feelings to circumstance working out for you, your loss. Suppose you are unhappy about anything. It is simple because you keep getting your inside good feelings messed up with your outside unfavorable circumstances. You are placing a condition on happiness that doesn't allow it to flow. The truth is, you can be happy and the economy can crumble around you. You can be happy and have an unhappy spouse or team. You can be happy and be in an unhappy work environment. How is that possible? How can you be happy when everyone else is miserable? It is simple. Happiness is not attached to your circumstance. You never feel good by needing others to feel good. Their emotions are inside them too. You do not get to control how they feel. The best things you can do for someone else is to be happy yourself. Happiness is contagious. When you feel good, everyone else feels good. This vibrancy knocks over worry and doubt. Nobody until mama is happy. Not true. Our good feelings are inside us and just waiting for our attention. You do not need mama or your spouse or even your dog to be happy for you to be happy. If you can focus on feeling good, everyone wins. Contagious enthusiasm will seep into all areas of your life. Nobody or nothing can stomp on your good vibes. If you are jiffing around your appreciation and enthusiasm in you, you would not even notice other people's worry and doubts. Magically, when other people normally have problems, they will feel better when they are in front of you, lighter, happier. All our emotions are contagious, good or bad, happy or sad, whether you feel up or you feel down. The only way to uplift others is to be uplifted yourself or uplifted yourself. The only way to inspire others is to be inspired. The only way to make others happy is to be happy. Gandhi said to be change you want to see in the world. Be happy, see happy people. Be inspired, see inspired people. Be kind, see kind acts everywhere. It comes from within, focus on feeling good. Feel happiness, joy, gratitude, lovely, fun, hope. It is not something you have to do. It is not a goal to cross. It is a feeling inside you, just feeling. In the meantime, anytime you feel bad, you know your direction is wrong. You expect the outside world, circumstance to improve or to look good for you to feel good. With this focus, you will always be disappointed. Just flip your focus and decide on what you want. Is it a success? Prosperity? Kind co-workers? Work that you enjoy? Optimize for a thriving economy. With steady focus on these good feelings, you will soon be surrounded by kind people in work that you enjoy. What if you want a thriving economy and it still stalled? It doesn't matter, you have your direction right. You are focused on optimism and that will flourish. The economy does not have to change, but your good feelings will. Your optimism and hope are moving you forward. Once you fooled and the economy starts to roll forward, your positions to rule with your good vibes and go forward. Nothing can stop you. Doubt and worry are already replaced with feelings of optimism and prosperity. If as a society we can turn this around with so much steady hope and optimism, we will turn the economy around. Our good thoughts will push the economy forward. We will flourish. It's our good feeling and intention that will get us there. The only things that keep worrying, fear, and doubt in your life is your focus on it. I want to repeat it. The only things that keep wrongly, fear, and doubt in your life are your focus on it. Change your focus, move forward. Hope, optimism, fun loving. Feel those words do not they feel good because they move forward. Hope, optimism, happy is about today and tomorrow. They are about a better future. Fear, anger, worry is about the past. You are going to change your job or insist people around you need to be kind to you. Instead, you will change your mental focus towards thoughts of gratitude for your job and your co-workers and optimize for your incredible future. If you steadily think kind thoughts towards others, they will turn out to be more kind to you. You are creating the jobs and relationship you want, not by forcing people around you to change so they are more pleasing to you, but by changing your thought and feelings. You are literally being the change you want to see in the world. In a feeling, it is inside you, it is in your being. Just focus on those good vibes and you cannot go wrong and stay happy ever. Thank you, friend. Watch my video and support me for like, share and subscribe my channel, please. Thank you.